All right, we're going to be talking about the situation when the denominators are going to be a little bit different. You'll have to forgive my squeaky little dog in the background. Okay, put it out of your mind for now. All right, 3/8 and 3/5. Let's get a plan. Let's think about some of those things that we talked about in our last video. Think about our signs. We know our signs. And then we want to look at the relationship between numerator and denominator. So I know that 8 is my denominator here, and I'm thinking half of 8 is 4, and 3 is pretty close to 4. So I'm thinking this is close to a half. Thinking about 5. That's a little tougher denominator just because it's an odd number. So half is like 2.5, and that's pretty close. So I know these fractions are actually pretty close as far as I think about my benchmarking. So I really need models here. And when I have models, I have my fraction bars here. It's really going to be important that I line these up perfectly so that like one on top of the other, and I can compare going from left to right. Here's my 3/5 model. Here's my 3/8. I can tell that there's more shaded in green here, even though there's more parts down here, and the same number of parts are shaded. The parts are just bigger with fifths than they are eighths, so I have more shaded in. Okay, another strategy could be, like we did on our last video, where you use your fraction number lines and you just mark those out pretending they're on a race. All right, I know that my 3/8, I got to go down here to my eighths, and I need to mark it right here. And then my fifths, I'm going to mark it right here. And then when I said stop, who's further ahead? The 3/5 one is. And so we would say 3/5 is greater than 3/8.